Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes online sessions more fun and engaging? Well, dreams do come true. Today, we will talk in depth about the GoBrunch Lifetime Deal, which is a game changer in the webinar world. No matter how good you are at business or how new you are, you will want to take advantage of this deal. Let's work together to figure out how GoBrunch works. What is GoBrunch? GoBrunch makes online sessions easier for everything from courses to virtual meetings. It offers a realistic and simple interface that drives positive engagement among participants. It's like having your own virtual event space to keep track of your meetings and engage with attendees. No more Zoom fatigue or boring webinars. GoBrunch is the current way for busy people like us to get things done. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Official regular pricing is over $870, but on AppSumo, you can get this for only $79. This is a one-time single payment. License Tier 1. Tier 1 is a one-time purchase of $79, originally valued at $870. This is suitable for managing up to 200 participants per live webinar, with access to 40 GB video storage, 8 organizers per session, 2 GB storage for presentations and documents, 15 breakout rooms per event, 5 presenter cams. License Tier 2. License Tier 2 is available as a one-time purchase of $169, offering management of up to 400 participants per live webinar along with 80 GB video storage, 16 organizers per session, 5 GB storage for presentations and documents, 35 breakout rooms per event, 10 presenter cams, 35 sub-accounts, 1 custom subdomain, attendance report. License Tier 3. Premium Tier 3 offering is available for a one-time purchase of $239, down from its original value of $7,000. It offers management of up to 600 participants per live webinar and includes 120 GB video storage, unlimited organizers per session, 10 GB storage for presentations and documents, 50 breakout rooms per event, 10 presenter cams, 50 sub-accounts, 7 custom subdomains, attendance report. 5 most important features that make GoBrunch special. Automated webinar setup. Say goodbye to complicated installations. With screen sharing, camera, and sound broadcasting, you can set up your virtual classroom in minutes. Interactive virtual spaces. Choose the room layout, let participants pick their own seats, and interact just like in person. Comprehensive moderation. Manage every mic and camera for every attendee to ensure that all attention is on the presenter. Multiple breakout rooms. Host multiple breakout rooms and sessions simultaneously with different facilitators assigned to each. Custom branding. Customize and brand your virtual spaces with exclusive layouts, logos, backgrounds, images, and texts. People who can benefit from GoBrunch. Course creators, event organizers, small businesses, fitness instructors, coaches and consultants, therapists, workshop organizers. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the GoBrunch Lifetime Deal over at AppSumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. Extra 10% off alert. Yep, you're not dreaming. On top of that sweet $79 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's GoBrunch Lifetime Deal offer. Look for the pop-up bar. Enter an active email address. Use the same email address continuously. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. Reviews that GoBrunch Lifetime Deal on AppSumo get. Are you still waiting? So sad, don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.